Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Storyteller's Path. Today, we are starting a new series called Vocabulary in Action. In these stories, we will learn practical English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Our first story is about a traveler named Leo. He is lost in a new city and needs to find the library. Listen carefully to the story and the phrases he uses. Let's begin. Leo was in a new city. He wanted to go to the library, but he was lost. He looked around and saw a police officer standing at the corner. Leo walked up to her. "Excuse me, can you help me?" he asked politely. "Of course," said the officer. "How can I help?" "I'm looking for the library. How do I get there?" Leo asked. The officer smiled. "It's easy. Go straight on this road for 2 blocks. Then take the first left turn. Walk for 1 more minute. The library will be on your right." "Thank you so much for your help," said a happy Leo. "You're welcome. Have a nice day," the officer replied. Now let's break down some useful phrases from the story. First, for asking for help, the phrase is, "Excuse me, can you help me?" This is a polite way to get someone's attention. Next, for asking the location, the phrase is, "How do I get to the library?" This is a common way to ask for directions. A simple phrase for giving directions is, "Go straight." Another one is, "Take a left turn." And finally, to describe the location, you can say, "It's on your right." Great job! I hope you found these phrases useful. If you enjoyed our story today, please like this video and subscribe to the Storyteller's Path for more lessons. Thank you for watching.